So, Morag, can you tell us why you decided to install these particular pictures in Dance Space during the Fringe Festival?
Well, I'm delighted to say that I didn't have to install them, otherwise they wouldn't be looking as beautiful as they are now. But I decided to have these exhibited within Dance Space because they have such a strong sense of physicality about them. They're sensual, they're very festival-esque, they're quite raw and quite risque, which is something that we like during the festival. So I'd like to say how much I'm enjoying having these images every day, and every night I see them all the way through August, and still I love them. In fact, I think I love them slightly more.
Thank you very, very much.